What's up, Chemical Guys fam? Here are 5 car detailing hacks that you need to know the next time you detail your ride. And to keep it interesting, we're gonna be answering every single one of these in under 1 minute. Let's get started. So the first one is using a drill brush with your drill to knock off embedded contaminants in your carpets and floor mats. Now, the reason that you would want to do this as opposed to vacuuming first is simply because sometimes there's just some things that are really lodged into the fibers of your carpets that really don't just come out with the vacuum. So sometimes you need that extra power, and our spinner multi-surface drill brushes are perfect for extracting all that more embedded stuff, knocking it loose. That way when you go for your vacuum, you have an easier time and you spend less time cleaning your carpets.
30 seconds.
Cool. Do I get bonus points for that? 30 seconds? Number 2, apply your favorite Chemical Guys tire shine with a flag tip brush. Now, the reason that you would want to do this in the first place is because sometimes there's just really large tires, like off-road tires, that have a lot of nubby kind of design and a lot of intricate areas that are hard to get into with a traditional applicator. But with the flag tip brush, you can actually rely on the bristles of the brush, because they're flag tip, to easily get into more intricate areas with the power of the brush, just kind of being more flexible. So you can go ahead and just wipe it around, get into all those hard to reach nooks and crannies, and really make the best use of your tire shine. The next one on our list is wrapping a microfiber towel around your scrubbing brush whenever it comes to cleaning carpets and upholstery. Now, this is kind of a pro tip that we've been using here at the Detail Garage for years, and the reason that we do this is simply because odds are that either A, the material is a very sensitive material that you don't want to damage with an aggressive brush, or B, you just want to go ahead and save some time. Or B, you just really want to extract the dirt as you're scrubbing it out. So what I mean by that is you have the microfiber towel, you wrap it around the bristles of your brush, and you're relying on the bristles kind of flexing and getting that microfiber towel into those hard to reach nooks and crannies, as opposed to you just kind of wiping it left and right flat. So that way you extract the dirt and grime, and you also soak it up at the same time with your microfiber towel, saving time and effort. The next car detailing hack that you should know is that our butter wet wax contains natural oils that actually help break down a variety of things on your vehicle. You know, it is a wax, so not only does it shine and protect your car, but it also has those natural cleaning oils that break down adhesives from leftover stickers, tar, tree sap, paint transfer, paint scuffs, paint overspray. It works on virtually anything that's really on the surface. And the great thing is that it's non-abrasive. So all you have to do is simply pour a couple drops onto a microfiber applicator, work it in very thoroughly, and then wipe it off. And just like that, you break down all those things that are sitting on your vehicle, and you shine and protect your car all at the same time using butter wet wax. The last car detailing hack that you need to know about is maximizing your Chemical Guys air freshener. Now, the best way to use your Chemical Guys air freshener is not by spraying every square inch of your interior. Instead, spray the driver and passenger side footwell, turn on your car, turn on your AC, turn it on recirculation mode. That way it grabs the Chemical Guys air freshener from the bottom of your vehicle, and it distributes it throughout your entire vehicle without you having to spray every square inch, saving time and chemical and product. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We try to keep it short and quick and to the point. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give us a huge like and comment down below, what are your Chemical Guys detailing hacks? As always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that you guys seen on today's video, they're gonna be linked in the description and the pinned comment down below. And you can also find them at your local Detail Garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.